Okay.
Hello and welcome to Brand Socialite Spirit Series. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to the dynamic duo of Charita and Roberto, the spirit professionals, and they're going to talk about Mezcal. Hi guys.
Hi Anya.
Hi Anya, how are you?
Doing well. Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day. And in the spirit of Earth Day, we get to talk about our favorite spirit, Mezcal. Mezcal, you might be familiar with tequila, its cousin. It's a Mexican spirit. It comes from the agave plant. This agave is I guess a lot of people mistake it for a cactus, but it's not. It's a family of succulents, and there are over 200 varieties that grow in Mexico and South America, and even some parts of the southern United States. The difference between tequila and mezcal is what makes mezcal so unique. Is tequila can only be made by one type of agave, which is the Blue Weber agave, whereas mezcal, which much like wine is, you can use different varieties of agave, and depending on who's making it, where it's grown, something that might be also familiar in the world of wine is the term terroir can determine the end result. So geography, geology, and climate are important factors in mezcal. And the beauty of mezcal is once all of these things are imparted into the final product, you get something that has different flavors like anise and chocolate and citrus and floral and green pepper. So lots of variety, lots to work with, and also you can make amazing cocktails with it. So today, Roberto is going to actually make you a Mezcal Paloma.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite. I think you can make pretty much almost a good tequila cocktail, classic good tequila cocktail with mezcal. And so today I'm going to make a Paloma, which is very simple. Lime juice, mezcal, and grapefruit soda. So I'm going to, you can build that directly into the glass, but I'm actually going to do that into the shaker just to stir the ingredients a little bit better. Traditionally, I know you're having a little copita. Traditionally, I mean, you can bring mezcal neat into this classic copita made out of wood or let's do a toast, shall we?
Clay.
Oh, clay. Cheers.
Mine is actually made
Cheers,
from
salud.
the shell of a fruit. So this is another one that they.
I'll toast you guys with a coffee. Cheers.
Oh,
cheers. Okay, so
I'll sip while you make.
Yes, ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Sorry, three quarter ounce, my bad. 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Yes, then you're gonna use 1½ ounce of mezcal. Today I'm using the espadín from our friends at Gracias a Dios.
So espadín is actually the name of the varietal of agave, and I'd say the majority of mezcals that you find in the market are made with espadín. And the reason is that every type of agave actually takes many different years to come to ripeness, and you need a ripe agave to make mezcal. So the average age for an espadín is about 7 to 10 years, and before it gets ripe, so you can make the spirit.
Correct.
So lots of time. It doesn't need a lot of water, so it's grown in very arid conditions. So very great sustainable plants.
Very good.
Perfect for Earth Day.
So I'm gonna do just a quick shake just to mix the ingredient, not to dilute it too much. So shake it, don't fake it. There we go, like that. Now I'm gonna pour that right into the glass, and before this gets a little bit too much,
Sugar?
No sugar. So you can use sugar. I personally don't like my cocktails to be too sweet. I like more the sour, the bright note, and the earthy note of the mezcal and the grapefruit in this case. So you can balance that 3/4 ounce of lime with a bar spoon or a teaspoon of sugar or simple syrup. But I did not use it this time because I like my cocktail to be more tart. Simple syrup, very easy to make at home.
Very easy to make. It's basically a mixture of sugar and water. Different ratios make a different consistency. So if you want a thicker syrup, you put more sugar. If you want just the regular simple syrup, then it's a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water.
And then sometimes with a Paloma, like you would do for a margarita, you can salt the rim of the glass. I, again, don't like too much salt in my In my glass, you like salt, so we're actually gonna rim half of the glass. Very simple. You put any citrus, lime, lemon, or I use grapefruit this time, and on the rim of the glass, and then you can just tap quickly here, like that, tap, 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 and so you have half glass rimmed with salt. There we go. And then you put fresh ice straight into the glass. You use the best ice you have at home. Good ice is a good part of the cocktail. Good ingredients, good ice, prevents dilution.
So the larger the squares, the less opportunity it has to melt. So the larger cubes, everyone's like, oh, why do you use a big cube? That's the reason. It's just less melting and watering down your cocktail.
There we go. And then right into the glass. Now, traditionally, Paloma made into a tall glass, like a highball or Collins glass. But you can use a glass that you have at home. Excuse me, the Collins. It's a beautiful glass.
And Roberto, why are you using the strainer or like the little thing?
Well, because I shake it, even though, although I shake the cocktail for a very short time, you might have like broken pieces of ice, and I don't want my cocktail to be too diluted. So I double strain, so all the broken pieces of ice, they don't go directly into the glass.
Got it.
And then I top up with a grapefruit soda. This is a grapefruit soda with no sugar.
You can use your own favorite. Like, some people even just like fresh grapefruit juice. It's totally up to you. But these are pretty easy to find, and they're great because it's just grapefruit and soda, no other ingredients.
Yeah, traditionally, I think there is a little bit of a gray area around the history of some cocktails, including the Paloma. So I think the first knowledge of that is around the 1950s, when really like the company that made in Mexico the skirt, the grapefruit soda came to be, and that's probably the first time that they started using that and mixed with grapefruit. But this grapefruit soda is no sugar, so I like my cocktail very tart. You can garnish that with a lime wheel, but I like grapefruit. This fresh grapefruit from the farmer's market is delicious. So cheers, here you have it, Paloma.
Cheers.
Oh, I always thought Paloma was made with grapefruit juice, so I learned something new today. Thank you.
You can use grapefruit juice, fresh grapefruit juice, of course. But then, if it's too tart or if it's too bitter, then you might want to test it before and perhaps balance that with a little sugar. But as I said, I don't like my cocktail too sweet, so I use a grapefruit soda with no sugar and no sugar added. It's very nice, right on top. Cheers.
One last question before I let you guys go. I know you're busy doing earth things today. What about the worm? Like, should I eat the worm? Should I buy a bottle with the worm?
Should you buy a bottle with a worm? I think worm traditionally it was a way to. I think today it's used more like a sort of marketing, and that's not the way you choose a mezcal if it has a worm on it. Traditionally, historically, the worm was used to sort of test the authenticity of the mezcal. So if the mezcal was distilled with enough strength and alcohol, it would preserve the worm. So they would put the worm inside the bottle. So if you would see a bottle of the mezcal with the worm all decomposed, that means that the mezcal wasn't too good. There wasn't enough alcohol. But if the worm was preserved nicely in the bottle, that was a sign that there was enough strength in the bottle. Today, again, is used more like a marketing. Not necessarily a bottle with the worm. It's good or bad, but I'm not base my mezcal choice in the store. Based on the worm.
And some producers have started, and some companies have started basically taking this tradition of the worm and making a salt out of it. So they take the worms, they dry them out, they crush them, add spices, and then this is served as an accompaniment to an orange slice. So similar to, you have your tequila with your lime and salt. That's kind of like been the modern take on the shot of tequila. You can do that with mezcal. So you have your mezcal, you have a slice of orange with what they call sal de guasano, and which is basically crushed worms. And you do your shot that way.
Oh man, I can't wait to go back to Oaxaca and visit Palenque as soon as this quarantine.
Oaxaca is where the majority of the mezcal comes from, and it's a great platform.
Well,
cheers, yeah.
Thank you so much for your time today. I will skip the worm and the salt, it sounds like, and I look forward to our next session. Have a great Earth Day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Cheers. Thank you. Happy Earth Day. Cheers.
Salud.